Today we're going to be cleaning out the temple. Let's get crafting. First thing we're going to do is the glue part. So what you'll do is lay out your sticks. You're going to lay them out like this. Put 8 sticks next to each other. And with the other 2 sticks, run a bead of glue down. Good. And we'll just smear this all over this popsicle stick like this. Lay that one on top.
Gross, I'm sticky too?
Yeah, we're both getting sticky on this one. All right, and give me just a little bit more glue on this one. That's good. And lay this one on the other side, like that. So we're making our table out of popsicle sticks. And push those down. Now don't move for like 30 minutes.
Can I do the hairdryer?
Okay, we can use a hairdryer. So we're gonna cheat, we're gonna use a hairdryer to kind of dry some of this glue a little bit faster, hopefully. Now let's set this aside. While we're waiting for that to dry, we're gonna get out our ribbon and we're gonna braid the ribbon. In today's gospel reading, Jesus grabs some cord of rope and he braids them into a whip. These 2 go in the middle? Good. Excellent. That's it. Those 2 go in the middle, and that one goes in the middle, and that one goes in the middle, and those 2 go in the middle.
Why did Jesus make a whip?
That's a really cool question. So Jesus went to the temple in Jerusalem to prepare for the Passover. And there were some people, money changers, and people selling stuff in the temple area. You know, a place that should be kept holy. So Jesus told them, he got really angry with them because they're messing up the temple, a place of worship, and they turned it into basically just like a store. And Jesus was not happy about that. So he grabbed some cords and wove the cords into a whip, just like you're doing. All right, good job. Now we'll take this and we'll put a little overhand knot in the end here.
And he did an overhand knot.
He might have done an overhand knot. The Bible doesn't specifically say, so he could have used a figure 8 or a fisherman's knot. I don't even know what a fisherman's knot is, but he could have used any kind of different knot. What did he do with the whip? He drove the animals that were being sold and the people, all the money changers, out of the temple area. Claire, put a glue dot on each corner. And then the Jews who were watching, they asked him for a sign of his authority. And Jesus said, "You want a sign? Tear down this temple and I will rebuild it in 3 days." And the guys were like, "What? This temple? You're gonna tear it down and rebuild it in 3 days? We've been working on this for 46 years and you're gonna tear it down in 3 days?" But what they didn't realize was Jesus wasn't really talking about the physical temple, the building. He was talking about himself. He was talking about his body. And he was predicting or prophesizing about the resurrection, where Jesus would be crucified on the Passover and would be resurrected in 3 days. So the money changers had coins. This is your table. And the money changer over there, "I'll change your money, I'll change your money, I'll change your money, give me a denarii, give me your money. We'll change money." You could go buy like cows and sheep and you could buy lots of stuff. Go buy things, give me your money. And that's what they were doing in a temple area, a place that's there for prayer. And that's not cool, and that's why Jesus was so angry, because this is God's house, not the money changer's house.
I'm going to whip it.
You're gonna whip the table?
Wait, did God do that?
Yeah. Well, I mean, Jesus used the whip to drive the animals, and he did knock over the tables. All right, so here's the way to play the game. You put the denarii, the coins on the table, you take your whip, and see if you could knock some of the coins off. Oh, close. Oh, good, you got 3 coins off. All right, you got all 4.
Remember, only use the whip for your table.